In today's video, I'll show you how to create public profile on Snapchat to start making money. So let's get started. So first of all is that you would want to make sure that your Snapchat app is updated. So go into your App Store or Play Store if you're in Android. Once you're here, tap on the open button once you've made sure that your Snapchat app is updated because the public profile feature is fairly new, so you might not have this feature if you are outdated. Now you want to tap on your profile icon on the top left. In here is that you want to tap here on public profile as you can see on the right side. Now, once you're here, this is where you can set up your public profile to gain more followers. Now, in here, you can see the stories, spotlight, and insights. So this is where you'd be able to manage your public profile. So in here, in these stories, you can now add snaps to your public profile from your post, archive, or camera roll to highlight your favorite memories. So you can just tap here on add snaps at the bottom, as you can see. And from here, you can go into memories and basically just highlight or add it into your public profile right here so that you would have some contents in here and people would be able to know on what you post or know what your story is or whatever it is that you would like to share. And then you have the spotlight in here. So this is basically the highlights or the snaps that you would want to spotlight, and they should appear right here. So you want to add your best stories in here. You want to tap here on post to spotlight, and then from here you can enable camera access, or you could record it now, or you could go for memories if you'd want to. And then you also have some insights where you can see your stats on how well you are doing here on your Snapchat public profile. And then next is that you can make sure that you have your profile icon, as you can see right here. You can just tap on the pencil icon, and from here you can add it from your camera roll or memories. And then next is that you can go into your settings in here, and then you can tap here on preview your profile. And this is where you'd be able to see on how your public profile would look like from the view of your audience, so that you'd be able to optimize on what needs to be done or what needs to be changed or whatsoever. So yeah, this is how you can create your public profile in here. All you have to do left basically is to just optimize it, make sure that you have everything shared in order for you to attract new followers. So that's it. Thank you for watching.